For number 10, the exponent 2 meant that you write this expression 2 times. So we would say 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. We could do FOIL 2x times 2x, 2x times negative 5 times 2x, negative 5 times negative 5. You also could write it off to the side here and then multiply again. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. 2x times negative 5 again is negative 10x. And negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. These are like terms, so we can combine these. So 4x squared, because it has the highest exponent, needs to go first. Combined, we get negative 20x. And then 25 goes here at the end. Okay, at number 11, we did a 2 by 3, 2 rows by 3 columns. And so we have x plus 4 on the side. And on the top, we would just fill in these expressions here. 3x squared, 6x, and 5. So again, we're just multiplying. So 3x to the third. We add exponents. 6x times x is 6x squared. 5 times x is 5x. This gives me 12x squared. This would give me 24x. And then 5 times 4 is 20. So again, we start with this first corner, 3x to the third. These have the same x squared, so we can add them, combine them, to make 18x squared. Then we have 24x and 5x, and that adds to be 29x. And then lastly, we have the 20 that we just bring down. For 12 and 13, these are both division problems. I know it doesn't say divide, but it's still a division problem. So we will divide our big numbers 14 and 2, which makes 7. But we will subtract the exponents. So 6 minus 3 gives us 3. Then we divide again. So negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Subtract 4 and 3. That gives us x to the first, or just x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, and we do not write x to the 0. In 13, we just need to divide our polynomial, in this case a trinomial, by 7x. And then we don't need this part. So then we divide and subtract again. So 14 divided by 7 gives us 2. And 3 minus 1 is x squared. Negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. 2 minus 1 is just x. And then 21 divided by 7 is 3, but 1 minus 1 makes 0, so I don't write x to the 0. For number 14, it says factor out the GCF. So we look to see, okay, 12, 8, and 4. What can divide into 12, 8, and 4? Well, 2 can and 4 can, but 4 is the bigger out of the two numbers, so we're going to divide by 4. And then the lowest x here is just x to the first. So for a GCF problem, you bring the GCF down, 4x. And now we need to divide and subtract. So divide, we get 3. 3 minus 1 gives us x squared. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is just x. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. The 1 minus 1 is 0, so we don't write that part. Okay.